Hi, my name is Lacey Cooper, and I am the counselor here at Vitalia Clinic. And I thought that I would take this brief moment to introduce myself and say hello, and also just talk about why I chose to work at a collaborative care clinic and the benefits I've really seen already from a lot of my clients. I've been in practice for a number of years, and I just was starting to get really frustrated when clients would come in for kind of some of these medical issues. And while we could talk about them and how to cope with it and treat some of it, I wasn't able to address some of the other things of like the deeper parts or where it maybe stemmed from. We talk about coping with it, but I couldn't get to that other level. For example, like chronic pain, sleeping issues, addiction, um, thyroid, all of those sort of things. And when I would try to work with their doctors or talk to them, it was just hard. I'd leave a message, they'd leave a message, releases forms were lost in the mail or the fax. And it delayed the process, and it was really hard. I was always trying to play catch up with my clients and say, well, what medication change, and did they say what kind of side effects? And I'd be kind of googling. I mean, it got really old really quickly, and I thought, this is not working. And I thought, even if I think for myself as a human, as a person, what would I want if in my perfect medical model? And it was really easy. I want it to be easy. I want to be able to show up, and I want to not have to worry about driving across town or picking that up over there, or finding a specialist, or trying to advocate for myself for something I might not know the most about. And sometimes, it's kind of embarrassing to admit, I wouldn't even address some things because it just got too overwhelming. It got too heavy. And I thought, if I can do anything as a provider, as a professional, to lower that, to minimize that stress, I need to do that. People come in and they're exhausted and they're tired and they're very pulled, and it's not easy, and it's really hard and frustrating. And I don't want to add to that in any way. So I started to look for a collaborative care clinic, and I interviewed around and I would talk to people. And from the minute I walked to Vitalia and met with Dr. Bassett and Dr. Ball, and Aaron, our receptionist, um, I was like, these are my kind of people. These are the practitioners I would want to see. And I really saw how they work really hard for their clients. It's a collaborative work between them. It's a team. They're very strengths-based, never shaming. And I really also appreciated how invested they both were in the latest research, keeping kind of on cutting edge, always striving to continue that conversation, their knowledge, that this is where I want to be. This is the kind of place I want to have my clients come to, and this is the kind of place I'd want to come to. And I've already seen that. It's so nice to have people come in and just say, you know what? It's okay. You can set that stress aside. We can handle this. You don't need to find your own acupuncturist or, doctor, or do that. Just go downstairs and Aaron will help you figure that out. And what's so great is just being really kept in the loop. So we meet together for the shared clients. If Dr. Ball and if you're seeing both of us, we meet and talk. We're on the same page. If there's been a recent medication change, or maybe something kind of came up, we can just kind of give each other a heads up. I don't have to be kind of lagging behind, or vice versa. And really, the thing I've already seen is my clients are getting, I think, to a better, faster, or even to a deeper level. So they're able to really address some of these things organically and come to this level that really is the part that heals. We're not just treating the symptoms, we're really getting to that point of what is the cause. And I don't know if you can always get that. And I think that's one of the special things about coming to this clinic and also being a practitioner here. We really want to make sure that this is an ongoing conversation and community that includes you. So if you are sitting and you're like, I wish this was covered, or I would love to see maybe like just even a short workshop on this, or what are some easy ways to treat that, or hey, I know this great practitioner, I wish they were here. Let us know. We want to constantly be involving and really meeting the needs of the people that we serve and work with. And we make that simple for you too. If any of those things come up, or if you have any questions about what this might look like, or even questions about me and how I work, or any of the doctors here, you can always email us at info@vitaliapdx.com, and we will get that answered, or we will take that suggestion. If you have ideas for what you'd like to see on our Facebook page or our blog, we'd love to give you whatever is necessary to kind of help and give you that knowledge. So again, it's info@vitaliapdx.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to answering those questions, as well as kind of just continue to build this, I think, really awesome community within Portland, to really help people reach that level of health that they desire, and maybe even didn't know they could even reach previously. So it was a pleasure, I guess, virtually meeting you. And I do look forward to meeting you in person. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, just let us know, and we'll keep that conversation going. Hope to see you soon.